Here's the Furinno Luder Bookcase 3-tier small bookshelf. Very simple to put together. It comes with 2 side pieces, a small vertical piece, and 4 shelves. Instructions are easy. They were packaged very deep into the box, so dig for them, and they are very simple. We put the pieces together, the side with screws and the back with nails. And just follow suit with the others. The last step is to put the back piece on and tap nails. Which are provided into the back. It is engineered wood, so you want to be careful with your aim to make sure that it lands secure, and then your piece is done. Simple, economical bookshelf that will provide an easy place to store items in a small space as well as vertical and horizontal. This great bookcase also comes with these little stickers that are designed to cover up the nails and screws. A nice touch.